2-out, 2-run double against Scherzer in the first inning of Game 1.
Inside.
Takes it inside for ball 1.
Well, when you're pitching on the road in these kind of games, you can see the crowd's into everything. They're standing, they're hoping that a rally happens. You want to keep the crowd to a dull roar because it's going to be loud. With every pitch, with every moment that goes the home team, you have to make sure you do your job to make it a dull roar. And if you're Zach Greinke, you want the roar of your crowd to not take you off your game.
Just poured in there at 96 from Scherzer, former 11th overall pick by Arizona out of Mizzou in 2006. Here's a 2-1. That's well hit into left. Back at the wall. It is gone. Gurriel and the Astros strike first in Game 7.